Review of PowerA Xbox One wired controller. Are you looking for a wired Xbox One controller for your Xbox or PC for under $30? Well, we found the solution for you. The PowerA wired Xbox One controller is a must-have for anyone with a budget looking for a wired Xbox One controller. Microsoft does not currently make a wired controller, so this controller fills that gap nicely. Price. The wired Xbox One controller works, and it works well. Coming in at $25 on Amazon or $30 at GameStop, this controller is a fantastic budget alternative to the name brand Xbox One controller and the expensive Xbox Elite controller. With the Elite controller around $150 and the name brand wireless controller around $60, this $25 wired controller easily wins in the price comparison. If you're looking to get a controller that simply works, this should be your answer. Feel. This controller feels quite solid. The grips are nothing special, buttons don't feel particularly special, and the triggers don't feel amazing, but they work. I have purchased two of these controllers, and they both work well. The controller has dual rumble motors, impulse triggers, textured analogs, and an audio jack on the bottom. The cord is just about 10 feet long, which is perfectly long enough to fit around a desk for a PC setup. With an overwhelmingly average feel, this controller simply gets the basic job done well without any bells and whistles. Computer comparability. I originally purchased this controller to use with my computer and Steam games. I was not disappointed. At this time, Microsoft does not sell any name brand wireless controllers, so this worked perfectly to fit that wired controller gap. This controller worked natively with Steam and has been so reliable that I bought a second one. The controller comes in 3 colors: black, white, and green. I purchased the green and white controllers, and I recommend you buy the black or green, as the white may turn a smudged brown color over time if you use it a lot. Conclusion. To conclude, I highly recommend this controller as a quality budget alternative to Microsoft brand Xbox controllers, and a great wired Xbox One controller to connect to your PC.